In this video, we will learn how to verify a website on Google Search Console step by step. So let's get started. First of all, we will cover three different methods. The method one will be HTML file upload. The second method will cover HTML tag verification, while third will be DNS verification. Now, first of all, log in to Google Search Console using your Gmail account and click Start. Now you will be landed on the following dashboard with these two options. Now it will give you two options. The first one will be domain, while the second one will be URL prefix. There is a small difference. The domain one will cover all URLs across all subdomains, while URL will cover specific addresses. We will use the second method, which will also cover the first one. Now add your website here and click continue. Now it will ask you to verify the ownership. So in method 1, we will verify it by HTML file. So download the file. Now it says upload to your website. So let's upload this on our website. We will log in to our hosting, which is Hostinger, and go to cPanel. In our case, it's hPanel. So basically, you need to go to your hosting file manager. So let's go into file manager. Now we are in the file manager. Click on public_HTML. Now upload the file directly on the root level. The file has been uploaded. Now let's go back and click verify. The verification was successful. So the first method has been covered. Now we will cover the other two methods. To do it, on the left sidebar, click on settings. Now click on ownership verification. It says you have successfully verified the HTML file method. There are 4 other methods available, such as HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Domain Name Provider. We will cover HTML tag and Domain Name Provider. Now let's learn how to verify Google Search Console using HTML tag method. To verify, click on HTML tag, copy the following meta tag, and it says you need to place it in the header section of your website. So we are using Wordpress. So let's log in to our website. Now we need to click on plugins, then add plugin and search for WP code. You can install any plugin which offers you to insert headers. Now the plugin has been installed and activated. You will get an option such as code snips. You need to click on it, then click on header and footer. Now you need to place the meta tag in the header section. Finally, make sure to save changes. Now let's go back and click verify. The verification was successful using HTML tag method. Now finally, we will use DNS verification method to verify Google Search Console with DNS. Click on Domain Name Provider. Then you need to copy the following TXT record. It says that you need to add the following TXT record into your Domain Name Provider records. So we have already copied, and let's go to our domain name provider. Our domain name provider is Hostinger. So click on domains, then click manage, then on the left sidebar, click on DNS or name servers. Here, you need to add a new record. Choose type TXT. Then copy the tag, go back and paste it as TXT value. Keep the other records as is and click add record. Now let's go back and click verify. The DNS verification was successful as well. So we have successfully verified our website using 3 different methods. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.